Samsung has confirmed that the Galaxy S22 series will be official in February. And now, the Samsung Galaxy S22 series is available for pre-order, so users can pre-order the S22 series on Samsung's official website to take advantage of early delivery. At the same time, Samsung will also provide exclusive rights to the first batch of users. So far, there is no information on the price of this device, but it is likely that the company will announce these details at the launch event, as the company will officially unveil the series of phones expected on February 9, 2022. According to reports, the Samsung Galaxy S22 series includes three models: Galaxy S22, Galaxy S22 Plus, and Galaxy S22 Ultra. Among them, the S22 Ultra is the most powerful and well-known. The Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra uses a flexible, slightly curved OLED display, which can reach a standard brightness of 1200 nits. Moreover, the peak screen brightness can reach 1750 nits, making it the brightest Android mobile screen. In the camera department, the Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a quad rear camera setup. It uses a 108MP main camera, which has a very large 1 January 1933-inch bottom, f1.8 aperture, and a pixel area of 0.8 m. It is expected to support OIS optical image stabilization. In addition to two 10-megapixel cameras and a 12-megapixel camera,